everyone.
Hi everyone, it's Cel and
Katrina.
I don't know if you've seen this week, our story is Jack and the Beanstalk, so make sure you watch Caitlin telling the story on our other video.
And today we're going to be making a beanstalk for you. And we've got all our materials here. And we wonder what you can find to use at home to make your beanstalk.
So you might have something at home like a long cardboard roll from the kitchen. So have a look and see if you've got one of those to use. But if you don't, maybe you could use 2 smaller rolls, and you could ask someone to help you stick them together to make a long one. Katrina, could you help me stick these two together, please?
Of course I can, Sal. So here we've got some masking tape. We use that at nursery. You might have some sellotape at home. So you can, might be easier if we do that first. A long line across, just to keep it sturdy. And then we can go round, like that. Okay, Sam?
Thank you. That was really good teamwork. So ask somebody to help you if you can't do that by yourself. What's the next step?
Okay, so I'm going to use the long tube here that I've actually found from my kitchen. Some kitchen roll was on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint mine. And beanstalks are usually green. So,
yeah.
So I've got some green paint here.
Now, I don't have any paint, so if you don't have any paint at home, maybe you could use some colouring pencils or some green paper to cover it, but you could also use some felt tips. And I've got a green felt tip, so I'm going to try and colour mine in.
Once I've finished mine, I'm just going to leave it to dry.
So while you finish yours, how about if I start cutting out the branches for the beanstalk? Now, what shape do you think we should use for the branches?
Maybe we can use banana shapes.
It's not a banana tree. Banana shapes.
Sorry, Sal. Oh, maybe we can use leaf shape.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let's make some leaves for the beanstalk. You can make some leaf shapes, or you could also make some branches if you like. So you could make some. What shape a branch should the branches be?
Branches, I think, are long.
Yeah.
And some branches are short, some are tall.
Should I make a long rectangle?
Yeah, that's like a good idea. I'm going to help Sal cut some leaves out.
So that could be a branch, and that could be a leaf. How many of these shall we make?
I think 10's a good number.
Okay, how about 10 leaves and 5 branches?
Good idea.
Okay, so remember to count carefully as you do it.
Use your careful counting fingers also.
Okay, I've got 4 of these branches. How many more do you think I need to get to 5? How many more branches do you think I need if I want 5 branches?
Well, I'm going to use my careful counting finger and count how many you already have. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more is 5.
I'm going to do 1 more.
Brilliant. And I have got all my leaves here, so I'm going to count them. Remember, using my careful counting fingers to count them out to see how many I have. Okay, so let's see how many I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I think I'm missing one. Because I did say I wanted 10, didn't I? So I'm going to have to cut out one more to get to 10. So let's see, we've got another bit of paper here. Let's quickly just cut out one more. There we go.
So what might help us remember is if we actually write the numbers on the leaves. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way to make a 1. Around and back like a railroad track. Do, do, do. Around the tree and around the tree. That's the way we make a 3. What's next? Number 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a 4. Okay. Down and around and a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Okay, what's next? Across the sky and down from heaven. That's the way we make a 7. Make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, we have an 8. I've got one more rhyme. That's number 9. So make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9. So the last number is number 10. Number 10 has got 2 numbers. So who knows which 2 numbers make number 10? I think we all know number 10. It's a 1 and a 0.
So now that we've put all our numbers on our leaves and coloured in our tubes and waited for them to dry, we can stick them on.
So you'll need some glue, or if you haven't got glue you could use sellotape as well, or even something like blue tack, anything that's sticky.
So here's my lovely tube that I painted earlier.
Okay, so let's stick all 5 branches.
That's the first one gone on at the bottom there.
1, 2, 3. That's going to be a really tall beanstalk. 4, and
one right at the top there.
And 5.
Brilliant.
Excellent. So
lovely.
How about if we start at the bottom with number 1? How about we stick number 1 and number 2 on the bottom branch
together?
1, and after 1 we want to find number 2.
Here it is.
On. There we go. Okay, what's after number 2?
Number 3. I know. Here it is. The 3.
You can ask somebody to help you. You could ask a friend or a family member to hold it while you stick the numbers on. Okay, but you need to find the numbers yourself. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. What's next? It's number 4.
It's number 4.
Wow, our beanstalk is getting taller and taller.
There's number 5. Number 6.
Number 6. Okay, number 6. Now,
Good.
what's next? Number 7.
Oh, number 7. And here's number 8. Nine.
And the last one, number 10.
Number 10.
So I wonder if you can make 10 leaves to go on your beanstalk. Let's see how it looks. Let's check we've got all our numbers on there. Okay, so how about I hold it and you make sure I haven't missed out any of the numbers.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, 10 leaves on our beanstalk, and look at the beautiful branches. You can even see them from behind. I wonder what's going to be hiding at the top of our beanstalk. What do you think we might find if we climb all the way up to the top?
I wonder.
So remember, if you make your own beanstalk at home and you've got everything you need, take a picture and send it to us so that we can see all of your lovely beanstalks. And remember to watch all of our other videos, and don't forget to come and collect an activity pack from school too. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.